everyone, this is Azay Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And for today, we are here at San Fernando Wood Grove Subdivision to show you this brand new house for sale here. We have a theme of Japandi style ng bahay. And as you can see, no fence na rin yung pinakabahay natin kasi sobrang secure talaga ng subdivision na to. The subdivision is very close to SM Pampanga, San Fernando Exit, Robinson Star Mills, and also yung Azure North. Ayan. Now, for the house, discuss ko na. We have a very beautiful facade and marami tayong highlights sa labas pa lang ng bahay. Even this side. So, itong walling na to, it helps, ganito yung textured paint. So, it helps na kapag umuulan, so hindi siya nag-map yung mga tulo ng ulan. Even this side, so ito, tile siya. Tiles yung mga ginamit nila dito. So, it helps na easy to maintain yung ganito compared as per seller sa mga regular painted walls lang. Oh, and where I am now is yung pinaka carport nyo na. Kasyang-kasya kahit yung mga big trucks dito. Ganun siya ka-spacious, high ceiling, open lang din para true and true talaga yung hangin. And then both sides, meron tayong 2 meters na setback. This side, papunta na yan ng pinaka-laundry area niya. I'll show you more kapag nandun ako sa loob. Tapos, even on this side, so spacious. So, anditong banda is yung mga yung bang condenser lang naman ng aircon. And going to your porch. Welcome to your porch. High ceiling din. Ito, bago to sa amin. Since Japandi nga yung theme ng bahay, meron na tayo ditong outdoor shoe cabinet. So, andito na talaga siya sa labas. Hindi nyo na ipapasok sa loob. Pero aside from, syempre, yung mga collectibles na talagang shoes. Ayan. For your main door, you can see it's a solid wood and also a above standard for the door height. And yeah, a digital smart lock. 3D na siya. Fingerprint and a PIN code. Let's scroll inside. I'll see you there. Wow. Bitawan ko na may yung linya ko. Welcome to your dream home. Ang dami. Every corner, ito yung masasabi kong isa sa pinaka-open layout na bahay. And then, hindi ito yung first time kong nakita, napasukan na namin kanina, pero still, wow pa rin talaga. It's giving wow, really, pagpasok. Kaya pagpasok pala, makikita nyo agad yung pinaka-high ceiling niya. The ground floor is very open layout and then at the same time, ang lawak. Kayang-kaya palamigan ng iisang aircon. Kaya kanina sabi ko, is ang lamig talaga kahit hanggang sa dirty kitchen niya. Lawak, no? Ibang klase kasing bahay. For your living room, you have your space for your entertainment wall. So maraming details na gusto kong i-discuss for this house kasi ibang klase din. Showcase yung pinaka-entertainment wall niyo for your living room. Ito na-mention kasi kanina is a wood veneer. So parang yung sa fit wood veneer. Ang ganda-ganda ng quality niya. And then kasyang-kasya kahit 100 inches na TV. And then saktong-sakto lang yung distance niya kapag umupo naman kayo sa sofa set nyo. And at the same time, kahit siguro yung registration sa camera is very bright, hindi siya masakit sa mata. Yung ganung feeling, hindi siya masakit sa mata kahit masyadong maliwanag yung pinakabahay. So, ang ganda din ng ginamit na lang. Quality for the glass, even yung mga frame ng window and sliding doors. Now, over here is your spacious dining area naman. Ganda din ng quality. So, minimal din yung ginamit nila, which is good kasi nga madali mag-add ng additional gamit if you want naman or if you can just maintain this. If you were able to acquire this home kasi ang ganda niya na. Just this, ang ganda niya na. Meron na siyang trademark kumbaga sa mga visitors nyo. Ito yung carport. Kahit i-adjust nyo pa to ng 10-seater more or 12, kasyang-kasya pa for your dining area. And then, moving to this area naman, another side naman, Mr. K, is yung our formal kitchen naman. Ang ganda-ganda niya kasi talagang kitang-kita ko lang lahat. Kahit yung neighborhood ko nakikita ko pa because of that window natin sa dining area natin. Yan, this is your formal kitchen. Andito na lahat ng nagagawa ng Magic. Your food, serving, pwede nang mag-breakfast area dyan. So, centered stone for the island countertop natin for this one. And then sa likod. Even sa likod. And then yung finish niya, yung hindi nagmamansya, and then at the same time, mabilis linisin. So, that's it. Kaya ganun yung mga ginamit nila. You'll see, even sa personal, makikita nyo talaga yung pagka-finish ng pinakabuong bahay. It's very premium. You have lots of storage over here pa lang sa island countertop na to. Ayan. Puno yan. And then, one thing is, even yung track light nyo, iba din. So, na-adjust yung track light kung gusto nyo. Over here, this one also is a wood veneer. Sa bandang likod naman natin, where you can cook with, range food, may mga storage din siya. Even yung overhead. Yan, ang tataas na hindi ko na talaga siya abot. So, from there, alam nyong, kapag hindi ko na abot, is talagang high ceiling din yung baba pa lang. This is ground floor, pero high ceiling din talaga siya. Gaganda nito ng cabinet. And another one. Sa likod naman ng barn door na to. Oh, pocket door pala to. It's your dirty kitchen. Tignan mo naman yung dirty kitchen na to. Ang linis-linis. So you have your fridge, two-door fridge na dito. Your open concept ng cabinet. So you can get easily yung mga herbs, spices, ganon. Dito naman, 2-burner stove with range hood na rin naman yung andito. And you have your sink. It's the same design ng cabinet, pati yung pinakababa. Pati ito, naging minimalist na yung style niya. And it's very nice kasi may mga organizer na. Ayan. O, diba? Ay, ito for garbage. It's for garbage. Yeah. And then this one, meron pa tayong door dito, and it's made of metal. Kasi nga, ito yung connected na pa labas kay helper nyo. Nakakay laundry area. This is a plus. Kasi nga naman, dito siya, mauulanan siya soon. Kaya metal yung ginamit nila. Ito kasi yung access kay helper's room. So, wala talaga siyang direct access sa main house nyo. Tapos, may sarili din siyang toilet and bath. Tapos, sa banda naman dito, ito na yung pinaka-laundry area niya. A spacious laundry area. Balik tayo sa loob. Ay, na-mention ko ba? Siguro, balik ako sa loob. Ikaw ata na-mention yung for the house orientation pala, this house is facing southeast. And then, bandang 12 noon na po namin sinut yung house na to. And then, kung may mga naririnig kayong beep-beep, yun yung sineseta pa rin kasi yung, sineseta pa yung mga CCTV ng mga common areas. So, after 30 seconds or 1 minute, ayan. Yeah, 2 doors to explore. Unahin natin itong magandang powder room. So, for your powder room, main floor, 1 step down lang. Ito yung pinaka-powder. Ay, gulat mo. Smart toilet for your powder room. You have your sink over here and a large mirror. Ito yung pinaka-ilalim na ng hagdan. Pero hindi siya mukhang ilalim dahil ang taas. Tapos this first room, could be for your guests, could be for your parents. If you live with them, once you acquire this house, ito yung pwedeng gawing optional room. Or flexi room. Could be flexi room. Kasi at the moment, ginawa lang nila parang entertainment room. Soon to be entertainment room. Pero kasya pa rin yung queen size bed. Tapos may air condition unit din na kasama. And may ensuite to. This side. So, yung mga parang kapag papuntang powder room or toilet, may 1 step down. So, your shower area with glass partition. Naka-enclose, and then toilet and your sink over here. Very earth tone yung ginamit. So it's more of white and wooden and with accent of this dark gray color. Ayan. I guess we are done. Ground floor. Explore na natin yung pinaka-second floor. We have 3 bedrooms left. I'll see you sa second floor. So we have rest area. Before we continue going up, dito kasi may another full view ng pinaka-ground floor nyo. I like this view. And then for the material, it's giving a timeless design for your staircase. Bagay na bagay sa color ng wood planks ng staircase nyo pala. And at the same time, kayang-kayang maglakad ng 2 tao dito. Ganda, no? Meron pa. Meron pang surprises itong bahay na to. Unahin ko na to. Wait lang. Pinaka-ceiling pala natin. Wooden lahat yan. And then as you can see, ang lilinis lang. So hindi siya naka-drop. So ang linis ng ceiling nyo. Tapos wala na siyang chandelier. And then this one, this is your second bedroom. Tapos dito siya sa second floor. A spacious second bedroom. This will be your headboard. Kita naman na nakaset up. And then iba-iba yung dating ng lahat ng bedroom for this house. Right here you have your parang pa-buttered yellow na accent wall. Ito mga tiles yung ginamit nila. And then this one, this is just the same nung outdoor. Parang textured wall yung ginamit nila. Tawag ko nga dito dati parang sponge. Tapos dito banda kasi parang you have your walk-in closet na over here. Na naka-wallpaper yung mga pinto nila. Ay, ang laki. Ang laki nito. Magaganda din yung cabin, drawers. Ayan, may cabinets ka na dyan. Tapos dito naman banda, may bar door ka para naman yung what area. You have your toilet, sink, and enclosed shower area. Di pa to yung master bed. Sabi ni Mr. King maganda. We have full-size mirror pala over here naman sa likod na. Nakita ko na to kanina, maganda pa rin sinabi ko. Anyway, even on the side, so yung wall na to may textured pavement. Diba? Very minimal. So, next door, second view ulit ng pinaka-ground floor natin. Ganda-ganda niya. So, parang 3 tones ng brown yung ginamit nila for the house. Kaya, ang aliwalas lang sa mata. Now, next room is this one. Medyo iba na rin naman yung theme nito. Pero ito yung headboard. Kasha up to queen size bed. Tapos this one, hindi siya white. Ganda-ganda ng pagka-finish. And this side, talagang hidden yung closet, no? Ito, open concept yung closet niya. And then, ang missing na lang dito, sabi ni owner, yung, syempre, where you can hang your clothes. Yun na lang naman yung kulang sa mga ganito. Pero lalawak niya. See? Yung mga folded clothes. And then another mirror naman. Tapos syempre may ensuite din. Ay, muntik na akong pumasok. Lahat sila enclosed shower area. Gaganda kasi ang taas. May mga ilaw niya. Mga cold lighting. Una na ako dito. Jump to our primary bedroom. Ito ang ganda. Tara. Wow, welcome. Welcome to your primary bedroom. Pwede ng crib. Upgrade yun ng crib. Ito siya, your primary bedroom. Ito lalagyan pa ng mattress. So the house comes semi-furnished. We have a basic appliances sa for your kitchen, and then sa living room, yung furnished doon, included na yun. Ito, missing lang is your mattress. You have your king size. Then this one, nilagyan nila ng wallpaper, yung accent niya. This one, accent wala. Wala siyang hidden doors. Wala tayong hidden doors for this. Pero, very minimalist yung pagkagawa nila. And you have your 180 degrees na ba? And alam nyo ba, kitang-kita ko dito yung SM. SM Pampanga. And that's Azure North. Dun yung morning sun. Tapos, CR. Your toilet and bath. Ay, ito pantay lang. And another thing pala, yung tiles na ginamit for the ground floor, ganun din yung tiles dito sa lahat ng flooring. I mean, sa lahat ng flooring, from ground floor to second floor, iisa yung ginamit nila. Pare-parehas siya. Welcome to your walk-in closet. So, open concept din yung walk-in closet niya. And that's the same thing. Wala lang yung, kulang pa lang yung mga rack dito. Sarado ko para you have full view ng cabinets niya. See? Dito naman parang cream. Cream yung ginamit nila for the wood colors. And then you have your full view mirror. And over here, look at your shower area. Nagugulat ako ng mga smart toilet. Diyan siya banda, tapos dito naman yung sink, and you have over here your tub, and then separate din yung shower area na dito. Yung mga ganito naman kung gusto nyong maglagay pa rin ng partition or not, kasi hindi naman siya siguro makakaharang dito sa yung tub. So dito mga frosted glass na to. And then if you want a natural ventilation, meron naman. It helps. Thank you for that idea. Hindi naman how clean. Kapag sa personal, iba yung dating. Siguro iba din yung registration niya sa camera. Kasi akin nakikita ko ng personal. Parang lang. Wall. Ayan. Tapos we have our first balcony. Ang gaganda talaga. Kahit yung material nila talaga sa sliding doors and windows. So for sure, iisa lang kasi yung ginamit nilang materials. Ang ganda din. Ang gaan, no? Yeah, suabe. Yun, suabe. Thank you, Mr. K. Suabe yung ginamit nila. Tapos, ang laki. Kaya naman ang ganda ng view nyo. Tapos alam nyo ba, napakatahimik ng subdivision na to. And then, ang ganda ng security. Grabe talaga. Share ko na lang ang tagal namin sa labas bago kami nakapasok. Parang double, triple security pa nila. To confirm lang kung visitors ba kami. Yeah? Ang dami kong sinasabi. So, this is your balcony. Parang siyang parang semi-Juliet balcony. Tapos this side, tinakpan lang ito. Ito tiles naman to. So, nilagyan nila ng tubular accent. Na-maintain pa rin, parang wooden colors. So, siguro, I'll give you your quick recap sa... Oh, dito na daw. Sige, I'll give you your quick recap. Sa baba daw pala. Okay. I'll see you again sa ground floor to give you your quick recap. Go to that corner so you can enjoy muna yung pinaka-ground floor nyo. Look at the view. Okay, let's go. Quick recap. This house is located here at Woodgrove San Fernando Subdivision. This is a brand new and you have a very beautiful Japandi theme for the house. The house sits at 250 square meters for the lot area and you have 216 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. You have your powder room. Also, you have your maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. Smart house na rin. Smart ready na rin yung bahay and you have your 2-vehicle carport. And the house comes semi-furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azay Bicolan, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.